The Three Dogs. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer. He has two children named John and Rhea. A dying father tells his children that he has only his house and three sheep left. They can divide them according to their wishes. Rhea chooses the house, and John have no option but to choose three sheep. One day, John meets an old man with three dogs. Do you want these dogs for your sheep? Asked the old man. Salt is a small dog, says the man. He can get food for you. Pepper is the next one. He can fight for you. Mustard is the big one. He can break the rocks. John takes the dogs. When he is hungry, he tells Salt to get some food for him. Salt quickly gets the food for him. The next day, John sees the sad girl. Why is she crying? Asked John. She is the king's daughter. I have to give her to a dragon, says the man with the girl. John follows the man and the girl to the hill. A dragon lives on the hill. Pepper, fight the dragon, says John. Pepper kills the dragon within a short period of time. Thank you, says the girl. She wants John to marry her. I cannot go with you now. I will meet you again in 1 year. On the way home, the man stops with the girl. The boy is not here now, says the man. Tell the king the dragon is dead. Say it, it is dead because of me. Say this, or I will throw you in the river. The girl is very afraid, so she agrees to what the bad man has told him. Thank you for killing the dragon, says the king. My daughter is young now. Next year, you can marry her. The bad man is very happy, but the girl is very sad and cries badly. 1 year has passed, and as John promised, he comes to visit the king's daughter. He meets the king and says to the king, the dragon is dead because of me. That is not true, says the king, and he put John in a small room and locked it. John needs his dog's help. Mustard, break the wall, says John to his dog. Mustard reacts to his master's command and he breaks the wall. John finds the girl. She is happy to see John. The girl tells the king about John and the dragon. The king commands his men to put the bad man in a small room. Soon, John marries the king's daughter. Our work for you is over, says Mustard to John. The three dogs change into birds and they fly away.